YouTube has many tools to help YouTubers make vlogs. Live streaming is one of those tools. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. One day, Cindy and I wanted to live stream. We'd never done it before, so we didn't know how. After a couple trials and errors, it was possible, and we did it. And we've learned some things along the way. We've discovered that it's a great tool, and we encourage people to do it. I'm going to teach you some of the things I've learned from that initial live stream because it's a daunting task. And if you don't know what you're doing, it could flop. So here are those tips. Number one, the most difficult part of live streaming is actually being able to live stream in the first place. You need to have a verified account. This is how you get that. The same button that gives you access to the upload button will give you access to the live stream button. Once you press that, it will take you to this screen. Click on the learn more so you can start the verification process. Once verified, you'll have to wait 24 hours before you can start your first live stream. But there's more. Unless you have 1,000 subscribers, you're not going to be using your cell phone to live stream. That means it has to be on your computer. Being on your computer is a little different than being on your cell phone. YouTube has it set up for your cell phone to be very effective for a live stream, but again, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. That doesn't mean you don't want to live stream before 1,000 subscribers. Let's look at some of your settings on your computer to make sure that you're set up for it. Number two, know your computer settings.
You'll want to adjust the audio output so you're not getting that echo. If possible, a microphone and headset are best. Set it up so you're not hearing what you're saying. It's just a distraction.
Number three, if you've never done a live stream before, have a practice run. Call a friend and ask if you can practice with them. Then get their feedback. Number four, it's better to start small. And by that, I mean, you want to start with a small audience before you become an international sensation, having never done a live speech before. You'll want to practice now while you have a smaller audience that can give you more realistic and valuable feedback. Finally, have a plan. What are you going to talk about? Make it just like you're going to do a regular vlog, just do it live. Make it fun before you even start. I plan on conducting a live stream when I've reached 1,000 subscribers, and you should too. But if you think I should conduct one before that, leave a comment below. Also, feel free to share my channel to anyone that you believe could use some guidance in growing their channel. The sooner I get to 1,000 subscribers, the sooner I go live. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a YouTube success.